Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to my video. Today we're going to solve the problem which is related to activity scheduling problem using Python Tkinter. Okay, now what is exactly the task that you're going to do related to this problem? Let's say the problem, you're a course scheduler and need to schedule activities for the upcoming semester. There are several activities with specific meeting times that cannot be overlapped. Given a list of activities, so you need to identify the activities, the start time, and the end times. Then you will create a schedule that maximizes the number of activities you can hold without any conflicts. So what will be your task for this case? First, you will write a Python program that will ask the user to enter the name of the activity and the keyword start and end time. Then, the result will be displayed on the right side of the user entry. If there are conflicts in the schedule, it should not be included in the output. And it means it will not be displayed in the table. So, how does it look like? Let's say, let me run my sample output. Okay, how does this activity scheduling problem work? Let's say, first thing that we need to do is type the name of the activity. So I'm going to call this an activity 1, and let's say the start time 7 and ends around 9. Then click the button add entry. Next is activity 2, then it will start around 8 and then ends around 10. Add 3. The next is type another activity name, which is activity number 3, then assuming the time starts 9 ends around 11. Then add entry. Let's try to add another one, activity 4, and start time would be around say 10 ends around 12. Then click add entry. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to simulate and remove the context schedule. So click this button, schedule. So means all the schedules that has its conflict, it was been removed. So for this scenario or the problem, we will try to create a Python Tkinter. First thing that we need to set up is we have to add background. Number 1, background. Number 2, the label, and then number 3, we're going to create a frame for the left side. Okay, so this is for the left frame, and then here on the right frame, so this will be our right frame. Okay, now this right frame will only appear after clicking the schedule activities. Every time that you add entries in here, first you start with this option, you start your entry here, then start time, then end time, then 4, click the add entry button, and then after adding all the activities, that's the last time that you will only enter these activities. Okay, so we will start creating on that, and that will be your challenge as well on how you're going to design it. And remember, this right frame will only appear after clicking the schedule activities. Okay, and how we can add color on our right frame, we will also do that in the next video. Okay, so yes, I hope you're ready for this one. Okay, are you ready for this? Hmm? Okay, good.